Threat continues for this evening. 10 weather impact focusing on some areas of rain and wet weather, some light showers around Franklin County over to the eastern half there near Gahanna, New Albany, Pataskala, and Groveport and Pickerington. And then we're going to kind of connect some dots for you, showing the most disruptive weather right now. And keep in mind, we're not talking about severe weather, but downpours, some gusty winds and lightning, and even some small hail possible as the storm begins to drop from Millersburg and Holmes County down toward Coshocton County. And another one, they're just lighting up with some lightning around Dresden in the past 20 minutes. Now, the other cells to the north, Bucyrus, Caledonia, Marion, over toward Belleville and Mount Gilead. These kind of ebbing and flowing and kind of hopscotching, just a testament that there's still some very juicy air there, and the thunderstorms continue to evolve and press southeast. Then, the last thing we're going to look at on a radar scan is this line right along and east of I-75, which is breaking up a little bit just to the west of Urbana. Doesn't mean it's going to keep that way, but they will watch that area ebb and flow for the next couple of hours as the storms move off toward the east. 10 weather impact for this evening, really twofold. If we're not seeing any heat, that heat for the most part is being taken care of by those showers and storms, but there might be a couple of pockets left if you don't get the crazy weather this evening. You need to stay connected and be informed and be ready. And as I said, even though we're not looking at widespread severe weather this evening, those storms will be disruptive to your plans, so keep an eye to the sky. Downtown right now, a couple of dashes of rain on the camera lens, looking at a cloudy downtown, 76, much cooler than the 96 that we had earlier today. Winds southeast at about 5 miles an hour. And of course, with the clouds and showers and cooler temperatures, at least in Columbus, that heat index is not an issue. We're still going to keep the threat up and the red, the 10 weather impact alert, through about 8 o'clock this evening because of the chance for some storms. And once we go through tonight and tomorrow morning, settling into a very mild and muggy and dry morning, temperatures in the low to mid 70s. Tomorrow, flipping that around, notice the red in the second half of the day, and the reasons are the same, really twofold. The chance for the heat index to be in the upper 90s once again, but during the heat of the day, tracking some showers and storms. So let's go there next. For the morning hours tomorrow, no problem. Your dog walk, your tea time, or just maybe your stroll is going to be fine. Warm and humid, but dry. Mid-afternoon, we'll watch the area begin to percolate with some downpours and thunderstorms, but they'll be pretty few and far between. Coshocton and Zanesville at 3 o'clock. As we get toward 5 o'clock, really mainly missing central Ohio, and again, that's fine. As we go to 7, 8 o'clock, kind of around the edges with some pop-up showers, but not forecasting the coverage or the intensity that we're seeing today. So your plans on the evening should be just fine. We'll see a repeat in that on Saturday with some showers and storms once again, but overall the weekend will be a little unsettled and hot and humid, but the real and hopefully the last 10 weather impact alert day for the weekend will be tomorrow because of that excessive heat, humidity, and a few of those storms. 88 on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, pretty similar days. Again, the chance of late day thunderstorms. Leftovers on Tuesday, but notice 85 degrees. Average temperatures Wednesday, Thursday, and that leads a dry and somewhat cooler stretch heading into the 4th of July weekend.